Parago Mobile is a portable method of accessing the Parago Asset Information System from one or more of your homes. It allows assets to be added to the home account by matching icons with pictures taken on the mobile device or by scanning barcode labels. The assets can be added to rooms within the home or containers within the room, such as wardrobes or jewellery boxes. You can then perform audits to verify assets are still present with the Parago Mobile, or record pat testing information for homes being let with electrical items, shown in a later video. The Parago Mobile system downloads your asset data each time you log in by pressing refresh and stores it to allow you to make modifications to your account. Once you have finished, you then commit the changes, and the mobile device synchronizes itself with the web-based Parago Central Database System via a wireless or mobile network connection. You can then have the benefits of the Parago Central Database System as shown in the other videos. The central system enables you to add further details to assets, such as purchasing information and value, in order to make a quick and accurate insurance claim. The Parago Mobile application looks and works in a very similar way to the Parago Central system. Once the application has been started, you must sign in with your username and password. Once this has been done, you are shown a list of the home accounts that you can access. Once you select an account and then the refresh button, Parago Mobile downloads the asset data for that account and allows you to view, search, or commit the changes. If you do not currently have a connection to the internet, you will still be able to sign in with the last successful username and access the account, but only if the account has previously been downloaded. Once you have tapped View Assets, you are presented with a cut-down version of the Parago interface, and you can move about the home by tapping on either a sub-asset of the current location or the back button in the top left, which returns you to the parent asset. Tapping the navigation bar at the top at any time will return you to the top level of your account. You can insert an asset by navigating to the location to which you wish to add it and selecting Add Asset. You are required to select the type of asset you are adding by tapping the Set Type button. The asset type is categorized, so if we enter the furniture category, we can see all the furniture we can add to the current location. Once you have selected the type of asset you are adding, you can change its name and tap Done to add the item. By tapping on the blue arrow next to the sub-asset or the View Details button of the asset you are currently in, you will be able to see the asset's name and associated serial number and notes. You will also be able to see the barcode associated, if any, with the asset. To edit these fields, simply click on the Edit button. Tap on the field you would like to change. Tapping on the asset ID or serial number will allow you to either scan or type the value. When finished, click Done to confirm these changes. While viewing the asset details or adding an asset, you can also see any photos that are attached to the asset or upload a new one. To do this, click Attached Images. If there are images present, they will be shown here. Tapping on one will show its full size, and you can then swipe left or right to navigate the pictures. If you wish to add a picture, click the plus button in the top right and choose Take Photo to activate the camera. When you have taken the picture, you have the option to resize and scale it. When you are happy, tap Use, and this will associate the image with the asset. You can use the camera to take pictures of invoices, certificates, and valuations associated with assets. These can be stored against the asset in the same manner. You can associate a barcode with an asset, often found on electrical items. To aid in navigation, you can tap anywhere on the toolbar at the top to return you to the root of your account. Alternatively, tap and hold on the toolbar for 2 seconds in order to bring up the navigation path, which shows you the asset's location. Tapping any one of these assets will move you to the room. The Commit button is located on the front page of the account and can be accessed by navigating to the root of your organization and then clicking the Account button. The changes you have made will be sent to the Parago system, and the asset data on the Parago Mobile system is synchronized. The Parago Mobile system has two feature modes that make managing your assets easier. One allows you to quickly verify that assets are still present. This is referred to as an audit. The other helps you manage your PAT testing requirements. To use the audit mode, you must navigate to the location that you wish to audit and tap the button located on the right of the top toolbar, then select Start Audit. Parago Mobile then displays all the assets that should be in the current location. Initially, it indicates that all the assets have not been found. You can then perform an audit by identifying the assets using the icon or the pictures attached by tapping on the blue arrow. If the asset is in the location being audited, then it will be marked Found. If not, and it can be made a sub-asset of the location being audited, you will be asked if you want to move it here. Once you have finished the audit, tap Done. Complete the audit and commit the changes. Any assets that were not found will be moved to a Missing Assets container within your account.